And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 68. Let me show you how you can make the nodes symmetric. So we create yet again a line and I drag it upwards here, double click on it to create a new node. As shown in the last video, these are the end nodes indicated by diamonds and these are the smooth nodes indicated by rectangles. And you can use these two functions right there to change that. But there's also an option to make that symmetrical. If we go right here to an end node and we use the smooth option and afterwards the symmetrical option, it looks like it's the same thing. But it is different. And the difference is right here, the handle. You cannot just drag it up and down to adjust the angle, but also basically the intensity of the angle. So if I drag this a little bit further away from my node, you can see how the curve changes. And there's the difference between the smooth node and the symmetrical node. So the smooth node has both handles connected, but only when you drag them up and down. So not with the intensity here. And the symmetrical node, it has up and down connected and also the intensity. So if you move one handle away from the node, the other one will also be moved away from the node. Let me show that on an ellipse. So here we have a smooth node and I'm going to drag the right hand side a little bit outwards. The left is not adjusted. But if I make this a symmetrical smooth node, now it is. So this is yet again another important distinction when it comes to dealing with nodes. Once you've used it a couple of times, it becomes obvious. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.